Hello everyone, this is a part 6 video on percent. Here in this video we will learn error and percent error. So first we will see what is error. When a number or a value has been written or read incorrectly, then the difference between the actual value and the wrong value is known as error. For example, we are given with the number 50 and we read that number 52. So the difference between two number is 52 minus 50, which is 2. So how much error is here is 2. Now how do we calculate the percent error? So the formula for the percent error is percent error equals to difference of the values over actual value times 100%. So percent error equals to, what is the difference in the values? Here it is 2. And what is the actual value? Which was supposed to read, which is 50 times 100%. Now 50 times 1 is 50, 50 times 2 is 100, 2 times 2 is 4%. So the error in reading the number is 4%. This is how we calculate the error percent. Now we will see a few problems on the same concept. So here I have taken first problem. The lace has an actual length of 75 meter, but it was mistakenly measured as 72 meters. What percent error does this measurement have? So first we are given with the actual length, which is 75 meter. Now we are given with the incorrect length, which is equals to 72 meter. Now the difference of these two lengths, which is equals to 75 minus 72, which will give us 3 meter. So this is the difference between two lengths. Now percent error, how do we calculate? So difference in length, which is 3 meter, over what is the actual length? 75 meter times 100%. So 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 25 is 75. 25 times 1 is 25, 25 times 4 is 100. So percent error is equals to 4%. And this is our answer. Now you'll see the next problem. Rekha bought an item for rupees 500, but due to some technical issues in machine, she received a digital bill of 520 rupees. What is the percent error in this bill? So first is actual bill or amount, which is equals to 500 rupees. Incorrect bill or amount, which is equals to 520 rupees. So difference in the amount is which is equals to 520 minus 500. The number which is greater, we will take that first. Here the 520 is greater, we will take that first. So 520 minus 500, which will give us 20 rupees. Now percent error equals to difference in rupees, which is 20, over actual amount, which is 500, times 100%. So this 0 will be cancelled with this 0. This 1 0 will be cancelled with this 1 0. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. So again the error is 4%. Now here we will see our third problem. A worker mistakenly placed 97 items instead of 100 in a box. What percent of items were missing? So what is the actual number of items which a worker should have placed in a box, which is 100. So actual number of items is 100. Incorrect number of item is 97. He placed 97 while he should have placed 100. So the difference in items or count of items is 100 minus 97, which is equals to 3. So percent error in counting is 3 over, what is the actual number? Actual number is 100. Though 97 is given first, but it is not the actual number. It is mistakenly placed number of item. Actual number is 100. So I will write 100 in the denominator times 100%. Now this 100 and 100 will be cancelled. So the error is 3% in the counting or placing the items. So here I have taken the next problem. During a transaction, a shopkeeper mistakenly returned 270 rupees to a customer instead of 250 rupees due to some calculation error. What percent of extra money did he give him back? So first we will see what is our actual money. And we will see incorrect money. So what is actual money? What he should have written? So he should have written rupees 250. So this is actual money. And instead of that, what he had written is 270 rupees. So this is the incorrect value he had written. So what is the difference between these two values? So difference in money is 270 minus 250, which is equals to 20 rupees. Now percent error, how do we calculate? So difference in money, which is 20 rupees. What is actual money? He should have written 250 times 100%. Now this 0 will be cancelled with this 0. 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 4 is 100. Now we have 2 times 4%, which is 8%. So percent error is 8%. Thank you.